Welcome to HAVELSAN's advanced secure communication platforms, where we redefine communication in the digital age. Our state-of-the-art solutions ensure top-tier security, enabling organizations and companies to communicate seamlessly and safeguard sensitive information in today's ever-evolving digital landscape. Let's get to know HAVELSAN's video conferencing system Diyalog together. HAVELSAN Diyalog is a user-friendly, secure, and high-quality video conferencing system that offers effortless setup and management. It's compatible with iOS and Android operating systems, providing easy access to meetings from all devices. HAVELSAN Diyalog delivers a high-security video conferencing experience tailored for organizations with stringent security requirements. With on-premise installation option, you can securely store your data on your own company servers. Our encrypted messaging feature ensures secure meeting chats and file sharing. You can also effortlessly access detailed, automatically saved meeting reports. With screen and file sharing features, you can effortlessly engage your audience by sharing presentations, videos, visuals, and custom content. Our interactive whiteboard feature allows you to sketch and share your ideas during meetings. Its modular structure allows customization to meet the specific needs of large, medium, and small-scale enterprises. HAVELSAN Diyalog is the ultimate solution for secure communication, combining top-tier features with user-friendly simplicity. Join us in redefining the future of secure communication today. Experience the ease and security of seamless communication with HAVELSAN Diyalog.